Wait a minute, when you say reduction, you're paying child support to her.
Yes.
Who does the child live with?
Me.
But the person that the child lives with does not pay child support. You should not be paying child support to her. And the child lives with you. Are you giving him the money back?
No.
All right. So this man has come to court because his cruel wife is not keeping the child with her and is also taking money from her husband. Despite her innocent appearance, this woman doesn't care about her child and is also stealing money from her husband. These parents are a disgrace to society. I don't understand why they have children if they have no idea what parenting is. Let's look at some of her more embarrassing exchanges.
Mr. Roberts, you filed this case before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
Well, I still pay child support because our daughter goes to school. It's better for her to go to school in her area as opposed to mine. Our schools are terrible. We don't really do well over there, and her school is great over there. But I wanted kind of a reduction.
Wait a minute, when you say reduction, you're paying child support to her.
Yes.
Who does the child live with?
Me. But she goes to school with her.
It's not a, wait a minute.
Yes,
you all know that's not how this works, right?
What?
The person who the child lives with does not pay child support. The person who the child does not live with pays child support.
Well, ma'am, originally we had an agreement with the court.
And it's your honor or judge.
I'm sorry, your honor.
Oh, go ahead.
My bad. We originally had agreement, but she goes to night school. So, our daughter lives with me.
Okay,
but she goes to her school.
That you guys have an agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
But the person that the child lives with does not pay child support. You understand that, right, ma'am?
Yes, but I'm the one that pays for her schooling.
How much is her schooling?
It's $600 a month.
$600 a month. But the child lives with him. She has needs outside of school. You understand that, right?
Yes, I understand.
So the child is living with you.
Yes.
You're paying for her day-to-day expenses.
Absolutely.
You're paying for her extracurricular activities, I'm assuming, right?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
What are you paying for besides school?
I only pay for school and the food that she eats on a day-to-day basis.
You should not be paying child support to her. And the child lives with you. Are you giving him the money back?
No.
What are you doing with the money?
I spend it on her schooling. And
you spend it on what?
Using it to pay for her schooling.
To pay for her school, but she does not live with you. You know what? How much money you make a year?
I make $50,000 a year.
Wait, hold up.
Despite her innocent appearance, this woman is extremely toxic. She earns $500,000 a month and keeps it a secret from her husband in order to receive a few pennies from the struggling father. As a mother, she doesn't have to be this way because of her greed. Her children suffer, but she doesn't care, and her top priority is taking money from her husband.
You should not be taking money away from him, and you have a job, and you're making how much?
I'm making $50,000 a year.
$50,000 a year? You know what? You think it's a game.
In all honesty, Judge, I just started working.
You think it's a game. That's not cute. And this is not funny. This is a serious matter. This man is paying child support for a child who lives with him. He has to pay extra money for his expenses and everything. You understand that? So you have a 2-bedroom home or apartment?
Yes, ma'am.
He has to get an extra bedroom. That's extra money that he could be saving. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Electricity, be all the other expenses. They're increasing. While you're sitting on $50,000 a year. Okay. So, based on the calculation I have here, have your gross at $4,166.67. Brings your net down to $3,266.81. How many children do you have, ma'am?
Just one.
Just one? Okay. That's going to be based on 20%. So child support is $653.37. You can close your mouth. It's okay. You're getting $600 right now from him, and you make $50,000 a year. Who pays health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$150.
$150. How often are you paid?
I get paid every 2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay. So for the child only, it's $150?
Yes, ma'am.
You do understand that a part of the child support obligation is to pay health insurance. The two of you understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you, ma'am, will be paying $653.37 plus $150 as medical reimbursement for the child, which brings your monthly obligation to $803.37.
Karma instantly, she genuinely believed she could keep stealing from her husband, but now it's back to haunt her. Her desire to steal from her husband is more than simply greed. It reveals the street side. From a personal and legal perspective, this behavior is blatantly selfish and unfair. Please share your thoughts about this case in the comments section. That concludes this video. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any more drama. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.